Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the shaking jumping of mouse cursor problem solving in Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. First, press Window button from your keyboard and then in the search bar, search for Device Manager. Now here, click on Mouse and Other Pointing Devices. Next, go with the first one, which is Main Mouse. Right click on it and then click on Properties. Next, go to Driver and then click on Update Drivers. Next, click on Search Automatically Drivers. Once you've done that, next go to your PC and open Drive C. Next, open Window folder. Next, look for System32 folder and open it. Next, look for CMD. Right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Then type GP update and then it's going to update their settings for the devices that are connected like keyboard and mouse. And once this is done, then restart your computer and that should solve your issue. And that's how to fix the shaking jumping of mouse cursor problem solving in Windows 10 or 11. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the video.